Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making Jjajang Myeon, originally a Chinese dish that the Koreans have adopted as their own. It's so satisfying and a favorite takeout dish, but very easy to make at home. Let's get started. This is the star ingredient, fermented black bean paste, which you can find at any Korean market. Today I'm using fresh Korean noodles, but you can substitute with any wide or thick noodles, like udon or even fettuccine. One bunch is enough to make a very big serving or 2 small servings. Let's cut up the vegetables into bite-sized pieces. At the very least, for this recipe you want to include white onion, head cabbage, and green onion. But today I'm also adding carrots. Julienned cucumber is also essential to add some freshness and crunch to the final dish. Start with a generous amount of oil. This is pork shoulder, but you could substitute with beef. The flavor and fat from the meat is essential for this dish. I wouldn't leave it out. Add some salt and fry until golden brown to render all the fat. Then add the whites of the scallions and white onion. Then the grated ginger. After adding the carrots, this is black pepper, sugar, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. Stir for another minute or 2. I've added the cabbage. Continue to stir over medium-high heat. At this point, you could also add seafood. Shrimp will be a great addition. Create some space in the pan. Add a little bit more oil to fry the bean paste for about a minute. You don't need much, a little goes a long way. The final dish should be chocolate brown, not black. Mix well. This is half a cup of broth, but plain water would also be fine. Cover and simmer until the vegetables are soft. Add the green onion and potato starch mixture to thicken the sauce. Serve hot over noodles. Garnish with cucumber. This is also great over steamed rice. Which would you prefer, noodles or rice? Let me know in the comments. Guys, this is so tasty and satisfying. The sauce is rich and savory. The vegetables are soft, and the pork is tender. Hope you try this recipe for Jjajang Myeon, and let me know how it goes. See you at the next one.